Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just open Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then get this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and if you wish to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on this gear at the top right corner. Now, after clicking on I accept in First Things First pop-up, you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. Then tap on the back button. Click on the same three lines. Tap on Set as Live Wallpaper, but this time select Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!